Modern Academy Higher Secondary School Rangmau haka khanyo turek uyayong arjaw phenriu kalayo ban penha perdano ya ke annual school sports meet arjaw phenriu habdeng ke jing ipo ipheng bat ke jing kemen jong ki khana school ringkat kinong hikai bat ki pat ba shnong haka jo ke sngi layo ro ban ple pat ba ya ka art stream na ka benta ki khana school kabalawan ban pen janai shu shu ya ki lat pule na lo ka science stream kabala dandupa ha ke ni ka school kini ke jing yo ple ya ka art stream ka long shisha kung ka jingkur khu ka bakra we ki khana school jang ka shnong rangmau bat ki shnong ba marjan namar kan ple la thamma ye ki ban jet ki benta pule ki ba ki sngo tanat bat ki ba ai jing toy ha ka lawe ha ka ni ka sneaker pang lawan ban sakhi lang da ka kong ar soklet DSEO Southwest Khasi Hills District uba drasling do uba Jeslan Roy nong sit rengkat ki nong hikai ki khana school bat ki we de ki ri rangba ki bala sha khat snobha Hakabenta jingyale kai kini ki long ki nong job ki blawan shakhamat kata best participant walam byang jerwa best march pass day ka greenhouse best house day ka blue house ka jing rakhe ka lakut ha ka jing kamen ban pen long ya ka ni ka jing lang ka ba job bat ka ba say so
to open the art stream at Modern Academy Rangmau Higher Secondary School. We unveil the tablet today. Modern Academy Higher Secondary School Rangmau inaugural function for opening of art stream at Modern Academy Higher Secondary School Rangmau on 17 April 2026 by Shri Radhikal Prabhakar, Honorable MLA, Maukwat Kursusi and the Professor Governor of Meghalaya in presence of the Honorable Mantri Rangmau Village and Secretary MC, Sri Fortis Lindor, President MC, Sri Yar Borman Marway, Principal and Member MC. Thank you. Who have participated wisely, differently in your march past, the beautiful song and beautiful dance, which made all of us to be happy watching your participation. Yang boleh dikirimkan joki di rumah, ibasan belum SSO jongka Department Division Hangle District Jogi, Idondro di Arut Pastor Pagi Jogi, Idondro di Dirumba Professional Distribution Dai Dikran Pasukan Ha, Idondro di Dirumba Ikbay Menjadi Tengah Penapor Regulasi Bernet Hamdan, ya Management of the school the president. But Hamdan है secretary of the school Badrul Sangha, but ये बात हुई या करीब क्या बंदियों पाकिस्तान के स्कूल खाना lalu kowe kabar ngan so kemen pada sorong nak kata division hat kita harmau kadai ke school modern academy. So I want to appreciate the song, the beautiful song of our beloved student who sang by saying, "We are proud of our school." I really agree with you, my dear student, and I agree with the management and the school as a whole, the teacher and the student. I want you to uphold this pride and to be happy to be part of this school. Yes, I know, it is not easy to run a school. And yes, in this competitive world, we live in this competitive world, it is not easy to sustain running the school nowadays. You have to face competition, and I want to remind you, I want to remind all the teachers and all the students of this school to ensure this school to remain competitive and to face the competition. We need your hard work and smart work as well. I'm very happy to see the Hindi teachers who spoke to us in English so well. I expect that you will be able to speak Hindi, but you have spoken in English so well.